Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to customize your home screen on iPhone or on your iPad. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is you just need to go over here, press and hold over here like this. So now you can see the app starts jiggling, and what you need to do is over here at the top we have an edit option. Just tap on it. So we have options like add a widget, customize, edit wallpapers, etc. Just tap on customized option. Now I'll be getting this. So first of all, we can make all kind of changes here. And the first one, if you want the icons to look a little bit more or bigger, what you need to do is over here at this particular size, you can see there is an icon like enlarging icon. Just tap on it so that as you can see right now, the icons are bigger. And if you wanted to make it smaller, you can just go over here, tap on it once again. So it will be in the smaller like this, so you can change it, right? And also apart from this, if you go to this particular side, you can see there is an option, just tap on it. So what happens is it will be like, contrast has been reduced like that. So that is how we can change it. And also apart from this, over here in the customize, we have various options like dark, clear and tinted. So I'll go for the dark as the first one. So right now, as you can see, it's like a dark mode effect that is happening right now. As you can see, it's been changed. If you feel like this is good enough, you can keep it. Or if you want the clear icons, like it has to be transparent kind of thing, then what you need to do is you just need to tap on the clear over here like this. It will be like complete clear, like a glass kind of thing, which is one of the main features that highlighted in iOS 26. And also if you wanted to change into the tinted one, you can just go over here, tap on the third one here, so it will be like a tinted one. Now you can make few more changes over here, like you can change the colors over here like this. And if you wanted to change over kind of things, you can do it. And also you can make it dark if you want it in the dark kind of things. If you set that auto, what happens is if it is darker, it will reduce it, and if it is brighter, it reduces as per the needs. So now we go back to the tint or light over here. We go back to the dark mode. And also there is another option, so you can set this over here. If you wanted, you can keep this over here, and the default one is the previous one, which normally looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to the favorite one. I always prefer the dark mode, so I just go over here, tap on this one. So this is how it looks like. And once you're done with this one, you can just go over here. Once all these kind of things, you can just tap here, so it is gone. And right now my iPhone has been completely changed. And this is how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.